In this video, I'll detail how to change iPhone clock display. So if you're using an iPhone and you want to change the display from maybe 24 hours display to 12 hours display, which is AM and PM, then this video is going to walk you through step by step. So if you don't know this video, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to change your iPhone clock's display, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on general. Now, once you selected general, you want to scroll down, keep scrolling until you get to date and time, click on that. Now, to change the display from 12 hours to 24 hours, turn on 24 hours, and instantly you're going to see 24 hours clock here. If you go back to your iPhone screen, this is going to change the iPhone clock to 24 hours clock. So this is the 24 hours clock on your iPhone. Now, you can also switch from 24 hours to 12 hours clock and change the display by disabling this. And once you disable that, this is going to switch back to 12 hours display and it's going to change the iPhone clock's display. So this is 12 hours clock display. So just switch between 24 hours and 12 hours can easily change your iPhone clock display. So that is basically all you need to do when you want to change display on your iPhone clock. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.